Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are opening the Atcher Olive Advent Calendar for 2023. Now, if you remember last year's, which I happen to still have over here, it was this little gingerbread house thing, and it is full of little boxes that contain nothing but washi of varying interest and metal stencils, which I do love, but that was overkill. And it came with that really cute blue journal with like the candy house on the front. And that was an A5 size journal. So this is this year's box. It is very cute. It's got all these woodland creatures, and we're gonna get it out of the plastic and see what they've done this year. And is it better or is it worse? Because this year's box is more expensive than last year's box, if I remember correctly. If not, I will correct myself in text on the screen. But my recollection was, I was like, okay, so they're charging us more. So is it better? We will find out. So here is the box. And it's one of those good boxes that we're going to want to keep. It's magnetic. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Inside, we have all these little boxes with numbers on them. So I'm thinking full-size journal is out unless it's buried on the bottom. We shall see. So let's find number one. Aha. Okay. So here's day one. Can you see the bottom of the box yet? No. So I have no idea if there is something lurking beneath. Okay. Day one. We have a pin. Love pins. Okay. Be kind to yourself. Let's see if we can get it to. There we go. Focus. Cute little pink flower. It's nice and heavy. It's a very nice pin. Okay. Day two. We have a bigger box with a rabbit. Okay. Nice box. Oh, I see coils. What have they done? Okay, so we've got a little coil notebook. They did this in one of the sub boxes a while back. There was like that purple coiled one. I think I gave that away to one of my friends. Possibly. If not, it's here somewhere, but I think I would have given that away. The plastic doesn't want to come off. There we go. Alright. And it's got this little band on it. It is an A7 dot grid notebook. 112 ultra thick wire O-bound pages. So maybe we'll just use this for like scraps or something. Pen tests. Oh, it's got some foiling inside. And then we've got dot grid paper, quite a bit. That O binding, no pocket in the back, and lumps where they glued in the rubber band. Okay. Well, at least it's not useless, and it's not the same as day one, so we're making progress over last year. Okay, day three. I am going to be critical of this one because of how ridiculous last year was. Alright, day three looks like, if we can get them to come out of the box, die cuts. So let's see, we've got a bunny with a giant pen, my first aid kit and its planner supplies, and creativity heals. Those are cute. Day four, we've got another thin box here. Can we see the bottom of the box? Yeah, I'm not seeing a journal in there. Okay, so we've got shimmery metal planner tabs. There are 4 of them. They're cute. They're shiny, which makes them pretty. But you can get a much bigger set of these with like numbers from Jane's Agenda. Let's see. Day 5 is quite the box. We have foil and a pine cone and some pine tree sprigs. Let's see. Sticker roll. Didn't Happy Planner used to do these? Alright, so we've got a tracker. We've got a lined box. We've got a 3-slot to-do list. Got another habit tracker, but it's different. Let's see. We can roll some of this out. So we've got some grid. We've got a different to-do. And then we're back to this one. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 designs, and then it repeats. It's not really designs so much as boxes. It's a somewhat decent sized sticker roll. Okay, day 6. This one's a little heavy. Ow. And we've got a little memo pad. Okay, I'm going to save myself pulling this out of the plastic. It's a memo pad. Day 7 is another decent sized box. There's definitely no journal hiding in there. Oh well. Okay, we've got 2 rolls of washi. One is a plaid, and one is the woodland animals and like Christmas decoration motif, which I hope is focusing. Some of these boxes over here into the recycling bin. Okay, day 8. Ouch. Oh my. Okay. Day 8 is... what are you? Velvet adhesive ribbon. So we've got kind of like a silvery gray and like Christmas maroon red. It's not showing up as bright on camera, or at least on camera for me at the moment. When I edit it, it might look better. Oh wait, that shows you more of like what the color looks like on the sides. That's better. So you can hear the children and the dog coming down the stairs. It is almost time to go to school. Okay, day 9. Decent sized box. Let's see what surprise awaits us in here. A little frightened. Looks like fabric. Oh, it's not fabric. Okay. So we have a little Atcher Olive pencil case. You really can't fit pencils in here, so I'm not really sure what it's just a little bag. It's got the Atcher Olive logo on the pull, and it is empty. I don't know what we put. I guess washi, or maybe that velvet ribbon. I don't know. Okay, that was day 9. This is day 10. And this is, I think, our biggest box, or one of the biggest boxes. But of the last 3, this is the biggest, and I see a stamp. Okay. Alright, so this is a monthly calendar stamp. Or I guess a weekly calendar stamp. But no, that's a month. With a Monday start. Not my jam. And an ink pad. It's nice when they include the ink pads, and Atcher Olive always does. And we've got box 11, which is very thin. And we've got 3 magnetic bookmarks in this woodland theme. The fox is really cute. Not big on raccoons. The bear's cute. And finally day 12, which is heavy, which makes me think notepad. Oh, I was right. Okay, this is the world's smallest Atcher Olive dot grid notebook. And the reason I say that it is a dot grid notebook is because this thing has hard covers, bookmarks, the elastic closure, and a pen loop. So technically speaking, yes, they gave us a journal. So here we go. This has a velvety cover. It is 112 ultra thick pages, which you can't get out. Okay. I like the trees very much. They are very cool. Silver foil. Got our green strap here. We've got gold foiled trees on the inside. Usual nameplate page. We've got our dot grid. I have no idea the dimensions of these pages. We have our usual bookmarks, including the Atcher Olive charm. Does it have a back pocket? It does. It's got the back pocket. It's got the pen loop. So this is like an Atcher Olive journal for your dollhouse. This is hysterical and adorable all at the same time. How usable it is, I don't know. If you guys have ideas for how we could use this, let me know, because at the moment I don't have any. But that is everything in the box. And oh, okay, there we go. It is a magnetic closure box. It is really cute. I think this will be definitely sticking around to hold some things for me, but right now it's going to hold what we got. So notebook, ribbon, stamp and ink pad. Let's see, memo pad, O-ring pad. It's a lot of little notepads. Washi tape, pouch, bookmarks, die cut stickers, roll, which is coming undone, of stickers, metal page markers, and the really cute enamel pin. So that is the 2023 Atcher Olive Woodland Creatures Advent Calendar. It is better than last year, simply because there's a variety of items. But I still think they can do better, so let's see what they do next year. I'll be very excited to see next year. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because we are unboxing tons of advent calendars, and then we have lots of surprising planning content coming after that. And I'll see you guys in the next one.